This is Give Thanks by Henry Smith in the key of C. So make sure to stop the video right now, click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. All right, so in this song we have our three main chords, C, F, and G. Then we have an A minor and an E minor, and then they also throw in a B flat. I'm not going to get into why they throw that in there for the key of C, but anyway, moving forward, here you go. Here's a C chord, is C, E, G. G chord, G, B, D. A minor, A, C, E. E minor, E, G, B. And then our F, F, A, C. Then our B flat is B flat, D, F. So I usually use fingers 1, 2, and 5. That fits comfortably for me, so you do what feels good for you. All right, so review. We have a C chord, G chord, A chord, E minor. Excuse me, this was A minor, E minor. You could play the F right here, or you can play the F down here. That's kind of the flexibility you have with chording. You can decide which chord feels better for you. F chord down here, move an octave higher, F chord up there. All right, and then you have our B flat. All right, so in the right hand, we're gonna play those chords. Left hand, we're gonna play single notes. So we're gonna line up C with C chord, G with G chord, F, F single note, A minor, we're gonna play A in the bass, B flat in the bass, and then when you open up for your E minor, you can open your thumb up here to the E and play E minor up here. Okay? The rhythm that we're gonna do to bring the two hands together is very simple. We're gonna go together, together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay, and you can practice that on all of the chords if you'd like. G chord, you're just practicing that rhythm. A minor, B flat, and F. Okay, all right, let's go through the chorus, and I'm gonna add some vocals to it. Okay? And give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks. See how that brings it together? Holy One, give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ. Here's that B flat. Christ, His Son. G, Son. Okay, let's repeat that, and I'm going to break it down a little bit. Give thanks, C, with a G, grateful heart. Give A minor, thanks to the E minor, stretch open here. Holy One, give. This is where I said you could do the F up here, which is right next door, or you can come down here and play the F down here, but it's easier to play it up here. Give thanks because He's C chord, given Jesus. This is that tricky B flat here. Christ is G chord, Son, and build up to that verse here. And now let the weak, sorry, we're gonna do E minor. And now let the A minor, weak say I am, D minor, strong. Let the G, poor say I am, C chord, rich because of what? A minor, the Lord has B flat for G. And now let the weak say end it like this. D minor. Give thanks, C chord. Slow it down here and end on your C chord. I'm going to play it beginning to end. I think you will catch on. You can go back to the beginning if you need some help. And don't forget, the chord sheet is in the description for you. All right? And give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done.